Okay, this tutorial is to show you how to use the affiliate commission tracking system. And here in your consultant portal, you can see right here the link. I'm going to click on that. And it will generally bring you into a login page where you will need to put in your username and password. This already has me logged in. I believe as Christy. I'm using a demo account with her name on it. On here you'll see some icons in the center, and you can see your sales, the payments that you've received, the traffic that's been to your website. You can edit your details, change your preferences, different things like this. Let's take a look at the traffic first of all. Clicking on this link shows us the people that have visited your website, how many clicks you've received, and when I say your website, it's, for example, the website that you were given, christy.sassbags.com. Every time somebody comes to her affiliate website, it does track the IP address. This demo here has mostly me, I see. How many clicks there's been, and the dates. You can see the dates off to the right, and it gives you some idea if your website's being used. We have a link here on the left side panel for sales. This here will track all website sales coming to your site. Now, we have one demo sale in here, and you can see it listed. It has the order total of $45. Excuse me, the order subtotal of $45. That's what the handbag actually cost. The $59.93 is the total including the shipping and the tax. There's the date, whether or not the order is confirmed or not. This one is not at this point, and it has not been paid. Now, the order has to be confirmed before it will be paid out. Confirmed meaning if somebody pays by credit card, sometimes it takes 2 to 3 days for that credit card to process. Could take 2 hours, could be 10 minutes, depending on, I suppose, just on the time of day and whether the bank processes it or not. But when we get the process that comes through, we will change the order to confirmed, and then this here in the paid, or you will be up for payment. Actually, I'll show you that in a second. What's also important to know here, though, is the $45 is your commission sales, not the $59.93. You do not receive commissions on tax or shipping costs. Now, to see the actual sales, excuse me, the payments, we click on payments, and this should be 0 because there have not been any payouts made. When there is, though, they'll all be listed here. How you chose to be paid, either by check or a PayPal transfer. That's actually the easiest. It's quicker. This sale is still not confirmed. I did go in there and confirm it for the sake of this demo, but it does take several minutes, could even take up to 10 minutes or so before it actually shows up confirmed. So if that doesn't happen in the duration of our demo, that's okay. Let me see if I refresh this. Yeah, it still hasn't. At any rate, this here's where you would see the commission sales that you will be receiving. Email campaign is it's a simple emailing system that you can announce something like check out our new handbags at Sassbags. And here I would put my own personal, but we're going to use Christy's here, website address so people can click on it and go to your affiliate website. Put the www in there. And the recipients, how you would list these is you could cut and paste these in here. And you want to separate them by a comma. We'll put Christy and Kathy in here. That's all you do. You can put a lengthy note in there if you want. I believe if we kept typing something, you get this little thing to allow for more room. So you can keep going all day, I suppose. Anyhow, down here it says, type above the message of your recommendation, inserting the following snippet, affiliate link. Well, you can use this little link. Copy it and paste it and put it in here instead of this link if you want. The problem is, and I'll send this email so you can see it, what it looks like. But the problem is this looks better, Christy.sassbags.com looks better than what the actual affiliate link will appear as. I've done a little hacking so that your affiliate link can look like this instead. But we'll send this. Please send in all fields. I didn't put this. We'll put in new items. We'll send this. And hopefully in a few minutes we'll get that and we can take a look at it. I'm not so sure it has shown up yet, but while we're waiting, I can show you after you do receive a sale on your affiliate site, you will get an email telling you about it. This one here says you have made a new sale. To see details of this order, please log into your affiliate panel here. So anytime somebody comes to your website and purchases a product, you will get an email notification with a link in it. And I'm hoping this opens right now. My computer is a little bit slow because I have quite a bit going on here, but we'll see. Last time I tried to open this, I kept clicking on it and had about 5 different web browsers open up. So I think the answer is just to be a little bit patient. Here it comes. And like I was mentioning before, when you get to the affiliate page, it will ask you to log in. So I'm going to use the demo here. And once we log in, the information would be available. It just brings you here to see your sale. But I suppose what I'm showing you here is that you do get flagged in an email that your sale is good to go. Anyhow, let's see what else is in here. There's preferences. You can peek in there and see if there's any settings that you want to switch. This here tells us how you want to be paid through PayPal. Usually, if you choose PayPal, you'll need a PayPal email address that we can transfer money to. Your other option is by check. We can cut you a check and send it in the mail. Bank transfer is also an option. I believe we have a Wells Fargo account. I'm not so sure I can transfer to other banks, but we can use bill pay to send checks or whatever works best for you. In here is something called banners and ads. Now, if you want to pass out your affiliate link, like on websites, if you go to a website, you want to share your link and just for people to find it, this here is where you grab the information for that. It'll be a little text ad. Each of these has your name on it because I have 2 examples in here, Christy and Terry, and what those do is they go to your own personal consultant page. That's why we separate them out by consultant. Christy's will go to Christy's consultant page. Terry's will go to Terry's consultant page, and so forth. So in this little snippet, I don't know how many people use this, but I suppose we can peek at it right here. If you preview it, what it looks like is this. So if you take that little code and you put it somewhere on the website as a link, it would look like this. And I don't really know how attractive looking that is, but it would go to your personal page. Up here in this URL at the top is your affiliate link, and anybody who makes a purchase using that URL will be commission sales for you. at any rate, I don't really know if we need that option, because if you're giving out your own personal website address, www.yourname.sasbags.com, well, then you probably don't need to deal with this. But that's what that is. I know if some of you are clicking around in here, you'll probably be curious about that. So I think I'm going to sign off for now before this recording gets too large. That's it.